Before I get into the video, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this every week. Also, if you haven't already, consider wishlisting my game, Project Dagger, on Steam, as it helps me out tremendously. Now, onto the video. Hello everyone, it's been about 2 months since my last devlog and quite a lot has changed yet again. This time, a lot of it has been quality of life improvements, polishing, VFX changes, and overall building upon what was established in the last episode. I worked on adding in a difficulty curve, random level generation, new weapons, a better sense of progression, and I redid almost all the levels to fit a randomly generated linear world, where you progress through rooms similar to the Binding of Isaac. These rooms still resemble an open world environment, but contribute to a more arcadey feel to the overall experience. Some of the things I changed or added are that the doors within the rooms lock until all enemies within the room are dead. That way you can't just run past everything without killing them. I added in a death screen that tracks your score for the eventual leaderboard system that will come in the future, and I also removed the save system so that the game relies more heavily on replayability, permadeath, and essentially roguelike mechanics. I added in a mini-map system, a town that spawns every third level. Currently the game functions in a fairly simple way. There are 4 zones that the player will experience in a run. Each zone is made up of 4 levels, and each level takes roughly 4 minutes to progress through, making a full run take a little over an hour. So that way, every third level, you will find a town, which is basically just a safe zone where you can sell stuff, buy health potions, buy ammo, and things of that nature. I do have a roadmap listed on the Steam page now as well that establishes what I wish to accomplish with the game in early access. Things like bringing back questing, seeded runs, bringing back crafting, enchanted items, bosses, more zones, as well as a game mode similar to Call of Duty Zombies. The only thing currently missing from the game preventing it from releasing on Steam is the lack of details and enemies for the last 2 zones in the game, which is what I'm working on currently. Adding details is a fairly simple process, but creating the assets to make every zone feel unique and different is quite time consuming. Also, designing the artwork for new enemies is a time consuming process as well. But I hope that as I continue doing devlogs, have people test the game and point out bugs or areas they believe Project Dagger can be improved in, that I will have a refined product to release into early access. I'm focusing heavily on testing and bug fixing so that this early access release will be a relatively completed and polished game and not a buggy mess. I've achieved what is Project Dagger's MVP or minimum viable product, and now I'm just expanding on that to create a fun experience. Also, I do want to announce that game builds are going up on Steam, so if you have a testing key, then you're able to play it there on Steam. Otherwise, it's also going up on itch.io. So if you're interested in trying out Project Dagger, then you absolutely can right now. Just follow the download link in the description, and I'm updating the game constantly. Also, there's a news tab within the game that updates you, letting you know what the most current version of the game is. I look forward to hearing everyone's feedback and what they think of the game at this moment. This devlog is quite different, as majority of the changes I made can be felt as you play, but a lot of them aren't particularly interesting or noteworthy. Some of these changes will be posted on screen for all you to see. It's a lot of small things, but they make the game so much more enjoyable to play. But yeah, that's it for this devlog. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment, tell me your thoughts on the changes made, and I hope to see you in the next one. Alright, that's it for this video. Again, if you liked what you saw, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this every single week, and wishlist Project Dagger on Steam. I also have a Discord server linked below if you're interested in joining my community. Thanks, until next time.